Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and set your direct deposit bank account here in TD Bank. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. For the matter, what you would do is, first of all, you gotta type in td.com and get to their official website where you can go ahead, sign up or apply for it. Afterwards, you're gonna come over here, go to tap on the search bar and simply type in direct deposit and search it up. And now you're gonna find there's a usage, and then over here you're gonna find the search option, which includes how do I set up my direct deposit account of my paycheck. Go ahead, tap on it. Now this will simply give you a brief regarding how you can do so. You can see your checking or saving account number, bank name, TD Bank's routing transit number. These are the information that is needed for you to do so. And you're gonna find this, you have to complete this direct deposit authorization form as well. Now tap on this to fill out the form. So now over here you can find this is the form that you have to fill out and submit to TD Bank for you to access the service. Go ahead and simply download this particular TD Bank's form, fill it out and simply upload it directly, or you can simply submit it to the nearby TD Bank of yours. Once you have done so, you will be able to submit a request for direct deposit account and you will be done. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.